Imagine a construction crew tossing the master blueprints into the trash and just winging it. That sounds like a recipe for disaster, but it's happening inside your body right this second. Your cells are actively choosing to ignore the hard-coded instructions written in your genetic code. They're ghosting your DNA. If the very building blocks of your life have stopped listening to the blueprint, what exactly is telling them how to keep you alive?
You might know someone dropping $400 a month on premium supplements only to feel exactly the same. It's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a fire hose while the cover is still strapped down tight. This massive gap acts as a biological bottleneck, what researchers call the cellular buffering zone, where your system simply refuses to process the expensive input. All that fuel is hitting a dead end because of a specific kind of market signal.
Think of your cells like an assembly line, where the conveyor belt itself is supposed to change as products move along. If that belt hitches, everything stops. That bottleneck is what researchers call cisternal maturation delay. It's a molecular traffic jam that forces the entire factory into total stagnation. But it turns out this cellular freeze-up triggers a glitch in our consciousness that is much harder to fix than a simple delay.
Think of your cell as a high-tech factory that hates mistakes. To keep things perfect, it uses a chemical combination lock where the dials are tuned to shifting acidity levels. As proteins drift from a neutral entrance toward a highly acidic exit, specific enzymes only wake up when the environment feels exactly right. Scientists call this filter the Golgi apparatus, and it prevents a chaotic pileup of products. But this isn't just passive sorting, it's actually making calculations.
Think of your cells like a busy restaurant kitchen where the dirty dishes never make it back to the dishwasher. Eventually, the chefs run out of plates and the whole place grinds to a halt. That red mess happens when the return line breaks. By forcing the system to cycle backward, a process called retrograde enzyme recycling, we clear the deck and restore order. But once the cell is clean, something unexpected happens to how we perceive time.
Keeping that breath inside acts like a chemical turbocharger for your cells. It's like using a pressure cooker to finish a meal in minutes. That internal pressure forces your body to rebuild itself way faster. This is endogenous CO2 retention, triggering a rapid maturation process called turnover. Try pausing for 12 seconds after your next exhale. You'll sense the heat rising. But what happens when this turnover hits the parts of us we thought were permanent?
Try something. Breathe out for a full 8 seconds, making your exhale twice as long as your inhale. This simple shift signals your vagus nerve to stand down, like a busy factory, finally slowing the assembly line to perform deep maintenance. As your oxidative defenses drop, it triggers a process known as copy-mediated retrograde trafficking. But why would your body suddenly decide to ship materials backward against the normal flow of traffic?
Think of your cells as a massive automated logistics hub. You have the master blueprints, the intricate packaging lines, and the buzzing power plants that keep the lights on. While we label these DNA, the Golgi apparatus, and mitochondria, they are actually the physical gear teeth where your inner intent grinds into reality. But even the most perfect factory sits idle without a spark. And that spark originates from a place science is only now starting to admit exists.
Imagine a busy shipping warehouse that never stops for a cleaning crew. Eventually, the floor gets so cluttered with old boxes that nothing moves.
Our cells face this exact pileup, which slows down our thinking. To flush out these stagnant proteins, try a 16-hour fast once a week. It signals your body to start a deep clean called autophagy. This reset keeps our biological gears turning smoothly. The full research archive is at jmthomasofficial.com.